Thank you, Felicia Coates. All right, let's talk about what we got going on here. 90 miles an hour at First Cliff in Scituate. 90 miles an hour at the gust. We got 117,000 customers without power. Imagine if you came up here from the south and met this snowstorm. Well, you know what? Hey, Ashton and Justin did just that, didn't you guys? Let's talk about that. You're near from Jackson, Mississippi?
Yeah, we're about 20 miles north of Jackson in Florida. Yep.
So have you ever seen anything like this in your life?
Never. We last February we had that ice storm, but that was about 6 to 8 inches of snow and ice, and this is about to be
and that real cold, exactly.
Yeah. And nothing like this wind either.
Yeah, this bites, doesn't it?
It's
yeah. Whose idea was this?
It was both fires.
Oh, it was both.